Do you have a busted radiator and it's going to cost you a fortune to fix it? Then come along with me and I'll show you how to repair it quickly at a fraction of the cost. Let's go. Hey guys, Musa here from Quantum Home Improvements and Solutions. Welcome back to the channel. So just recently I was doing some work with my TYM tractor and using the 4-in-1 bucket, and I tilted the bucket and not realizing that what I was carrying was going to hit the grill, and not only did it hit the grill, it pushed the lights in and pushed the radiator back, which wasn't good. So it bent the radiator, and so it caused a bit of a dent in the cells, and now the radiator is leaking. So I was left with two options: either to buy a brand new radiator, which are quite expensive, or to repair it. And so a while back I discovered a product called RapidFix, and so this is a 2-part mixed glue and it can fix nearly everything. It's kind of like a welding glue. So I thought to myself, I've got nothing to lose by trying this product. At worst case, I buy another radiator and at least I get to see if this product really does work. Okay, so now I'll get into it and take the radiator out. These are pretty easy to take off. You just use a 1/2-inch socket both sides. Okay, that's one. Okay, that's the next one. Okay, so now just remove the hose, let all the water out. Okay, take this hose off. Done. Okay, take that out. There shouldn't be anything holding it. I missed this hose here, and now it should be free. And there we go. All right, it's out. There we go. Okay, I just got to take this plastic cover off. Three more, and it's out. Okay, so that's off. Okay, so you can see the damage now. Okay, so there it is. The damage is right in there, but also the fan was hitting the radiator when the fan pushed in on an angle on this side. But it looks like it's only these little grills that are damaged. It's not actually the cells, so that's really good. There it is there. You can see the holes perfectly. Okay, so I'm going to clean this up before I put any glue. Just use some wax and grease remover. Okay. I'll also dry it out, just get all the water out of there. Okay, that looks pretty good actually. I can see there's 1, 2, 3 holes. That one there could have been perforated as well, I'm not sure. I'm not going to take any chances. I'll push this aside so I can get to the other end of it. Okay, that's better. So now I just put glue in these 4 little cells. The moment of truth. Okay, so the manufacturers have made this very easy to use. So the RapidFix is quite easy. There's a solution and then there's a powder. So first you put on the solution. Just drip it in. Okay, and then quickly put the powder on, like that. That's all you got to do. And then just put a bit more solution on top. There we go. That's pretty much it. So I'm just going to do that one more time. And just put some more solution on top. There we go. So within a few minutes, this will go hard as a rock. and it is heat resistant. And there we are, already it's like a rock already. Look at that, it's only been 1 minute. And because of the severity of the accident, I will put just one more. Just really pack that in. Look at that. Okay, so now it's done. I'm finished, and now it's hard as a rock. So I'll let that dry. Okay, so I'll just put the fan cover back on. Okay, it's fixed. Now I'll put it back on the tractor and see if this product really works. There we go. Pull that out, pull that out. Okay. Easy. Okay. Okay, so that's on. Okay, so now this one. Very easy to work with a TYM tractor. So I'll just put this little hose back on. That's clamped off. And there we go. Usually I like to put a bit of Vaseline on there just to make this a bit easier, but that's fine. This will work fine. Okay, I'll just screw that off. Okay, you've got to put these on pretty tight. There's a lot of pressure in this radiator. This is only a 27 horsepower motor, but this little Mitsubishi 3-cylinder is brilliant. What a diesel motor this is. Brilliant. Okay, it's done. Now it's time to test it. Okay, I'll put the water in. Okay, I'll just drop the bucket. Okay, so while that's filling up, I'll just start the motor. Looks like it's holding. I love it. Look at that. It's definitely holding. That's looking really good. Okay, I'll put the cap back on. There we go. Okay, it worked. So the real test is going to be when I put it under pressure when I'm working with the tractor. So, and also if it can handle the heat. So it does say on the instructions that you need to let it dry for 24 hours for maximum strength. So I won't put this under pressure at the moment. So if you are interested, I will put a link below for RapidFix and where I purchased it from, which was Auto West Paint Supplies in the Nepean area. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. And if you have any comments, please leave them below and I will get back to you. And I'd ask you to please consider to subscribe, hit the like button and share this video, and there's many more to come. Thanks guys.